durian ice cream is the stench of the durian. Oh. Today we're on the west coast of Sumatra Island, which is actually the largest island in all of Indonesia. And right now we're in a city named Padang. Now something about Padang is that it's this culinary center of all of the best food in Indonesia. It's super spicy food, very varied, from fish to chicken, meat and everything else in between. So today we're going to go on a tour, starting off from a popular coffee shop here in the oldest part of Padang, which is actually a Chinatown, and we'll follow with some satay and some other spicy and great food to try here in Padang. So let's go and we'll start now.
Let's start off now.
Well, another thing we want to try, because Kopi Nanyo is closed, which is the coffee shop that we're coming to, is coffee with Milo. And while searching for a good coffee shop, it had to start raining as well. We've still not found the place, so we're just going to stop in the first cafeteria we find. Let's go! Before it starts raining too much! I'll try and give a brief explanation of this cup mill, which is coffee with Milo, because it's extremely noisy in here. It's chucking it down with rain. So here, all that rain. So basically it's coffee with Milo. It's got that sweet taste with Milo, and we had two, like we said before, and the one with chin chow means it's got like these jelly parts in it. But I'll stop this here because it's just too noisy. We're off in the rain. We're going to put our raincoats on. This raincoat has got a kangaroo pouch here. I'm not sure what that's for. I'm like the red man now. And Jacqueline is the shiny green lady. Just made it to our first and maybe even only stop. And the name of the place is Satay Dangwang Duangwang. It's highly recommended as one of the best satays here in Padang, so we'll check this place out. And the street where this place is, there's like loads of restaurants, street food stalls. We didn't know about this place until we got here. So let's try the satay. The meat is super tender. And then you've got that creamy sauce on it, and it's spicy. Usually whenever we tasted this sauce, it isn't so spicy, but this is really like sweet and sour and spicy as well. That was a great meal, and we would love to continue eating there, but we just have to check out what else this street offers here in Padang. You think we'll go to that place that looked like Chinese?
Yeah, that smelled very nice.
The Chinese place had a really good smell there. And they've got noodles, they've got fuyung something, whatever that is. And for later on, after we've had our next meal in the Chinese place, which I'm not sure what we're going to eat, we've got a very interesting dessert before we go back. That dessert is something really stinky from what I've read, and I guess you can imagine what it's made out of. So what we'll be eating now is kwetiau goreng. So let's try this kwetiau goreng. Really good. It's made with these like chewy soggy noodles, thick noodles, water spinach or cassava leaves maybe inside, scrambled eggs, meatballs as well or fish balls, shrimp, some crunchy nice prawn crackers. You're ordering something else?
Yes. Ayam rica rica.
Ayam rica rica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nasi, right?
Panas, spicy.
Yeah.
So that is the ayam rica
Tawar.
rica.
Yeah.
It looks extremely spicy. There's loads of green and red chilies also inside. It's fried chicken pieces with this sauce, which honestly I'm quite scared to try because I think it's going to be exceptionally hot, but I'm not sure. Let's see. That's really good. It's like sweet and sour and spicy, but not so spicy. It's got some vinegar inside as well. It's sort of like a creamy, spicy, yes, but now I've got quite a lot of chilies in my mouth. So it's like a creamy, spicy chicken broth. This sauce is extremely good. I guess the chicken is going to be even better. So let's try a piece of this crunchy fried chicken. Oh no. Why did I have to start up with a bone? Come on. Okay, round 2. Trying chicken rica rica. Hopefully it's meat now. Yes, a nice piece of crunchy chicken meat. Really good. It's got that crunchy taste of fried chicken that has been dunked in some really generous butter. And then that sauce that is spicy and sweet and like a gooey broth type. Really good and full of flavour. We've got a short gap with not much rain, and we've got to go and try this stinky desert thing which we promised. It's just down the street from here where we are. Hello. And we'll see what that is. I think it's a kind of ice cream thing. And then one of these.
Yeah.
Satu. Satu, yeah. Let's try their speciality then. How much is that? That is 37.
Most expensive.
Yes, it's probably the most, it's even more expensive than the food that we ate, any of it. It's not nice.
The first thing that you taste
stink.
is this durian, like a stinky thing.
So the first thing we noticed exactly when we opened the container of this ice cream, it's durian ice cream, is the stench of the durian. Oh, that smells like sulfur. But as long as you get over the extremely strong stench of it, it's quite good actually. It's like a yogurt. It takes some serious getting used to get over that smell because it's really strong.
It's really strong, yes.